full Phillips fix. Today's going to be a real quick and simple video, but it can save you some money. I got a 2002 Mercedes E320. The problem is my washer fluid warning light keeps coming on and my washer fluid is full. I'm going to show you the remedy to that. It's cheap. Just while I'm in here, I got a thing that's good here to keep rodents out. I recommend putting one of those in your car. It makes a high-pitched beeping sound, buzzing with the flashing lights that keep the rodents out. They can cause a shitload of damage on chewed wires. If you're ever going to work on your car, if you press right here on the hood, pull it down a little, the hood will go up almost 90 degrees and gives you better access to your engine compartment. So the remedy to this is a new sending unit. This is about 14 bucks. So you'd be wasting a lot of time just trying to diagnose the unit. If you're getting that signal that your washer fluid is empty, believe me, 99% of the time it's not going to be a wiring issue. It's the sending unit. So you just depress these two little tabs here that opens the front of the plug. You may have to wiggle it. It's been on there a while. There you go. I think I can get this without a tool. You just got to pop this out. Yeah, I'm going to need a screwdriver or something to get under here maybe. I'm trying with my finger. I don't want to crack the damn thing. Let me go get 2 screwdrivers so I don't break this. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. We're getting close to 3,000 subscribers, guys. It's growing. I'm impressed. Thank you for your support. I do put a link in the video description of tools and supplies I use that I've been very happy with. So you can find that in the video description. I'm an Amazon affiliate. So Amazon will give me a small percentage that goes to Wendy to help support the channel. She's been a big supporter of this channel. It's at no added cost to you guys, so I'd appreciate if you're going to buy any of the supplies, please use that link. It will help support the channel, guys. Alright, so these are like under $20. I'll put a link for this in the video description. These sending units are cheap, and that's the fix. Let's work that on in there. I should have put some silicone grease on there. That's what I'm going to do. I have silicone grease. I'm going to do that in case I ever got to get this out again. I don't want it snapping off and then it becomes a clusterfuck. Let me go get the silicone grease. I have paste in my basement. I suggest that you get this for your toolbox if you ever have to do hoses or any kind of rubber O-rings or seals. I see people all the time on YouTube showing putting oil on rubber O-rings and other sealing objects and hoses, and petroleum items are very damaging to a lot of rubbers. Some can handle it, but others cannot. You will actually degrade the rubber over time putting petroleum-based solvents on there. So I suggest you get some silicone paste. I got, I think, 4 or 8 ounces for 20 bucks. I keep that. I also keep Never Seas on hand, aluminum and copper, and ceramic brake lubricant for when I do brakes. These are necessities for your toolbox if you want to do jobs right. So you don't need much of this, just a little dab will do it. It'll make that slide right in there and come right out again if I have to remove this again. Things are not made to last the way that they used to last. I hate to date myself, but honestly, parts are not what they used to be. I've gotten stuff that's shit right out of the box, brand new. I did a lot of work on my Chevy. I bought not just standard CV axles for it. I got heavy duty ones, and I think it was 40 miles, under 40 miles, and the CV axle blew apart on me. They replaced it on warranty, but they did not cover the labor label. If I would have had to go to a shop, I would have been eating those labor charges. So just slide that in there, and that's it, guys. I know 100%, I don't even have to check it. I know my warning light is going to be gone, but I will prove it to you guys that it was the sending unit.
So you do, but abortion is as old as pregnancy.
If Roe versus Wade is overturned, the U.S. will become
No
divided
windshield
into
washer
states
alert
which allow
anymore.
abortion, mostly Democratic, and those
Fixed.
that don't,
That's a
largely
fix.
Republican.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you'll be back. I will be posting a lot of videos. Let me just tell you some of what I have to do. Sorry, my sinus is driving me nuts with allergies. I have to do valve cover gaskets on this. I have a little bit of an oil leak. I'm going to be doing the expansion valve on the AC. I'm going to be purging the AC system after I do that and recharging it, so I can show you guys how to do that. On the E430, I have a ton of work to do. I don't want to scratch the paint, and I don't want to close the hood on the sending unit. I thought I threw that away already. I'm getting senile, guys. Make sure the key is in my pocket. Yes, and I want to lock that and under the hood. So on the E430, I hit a huge pothole. It blew my tire out. It didn't pop, but it had a huge bubble on it, and it broke my spring. So then the boots went on my CV axles, so I'm replacing both CV axles. I'm doing lower ball joints. I believe I have tie rod ends as well. I'm doing the brakes, like I said, both CV axles, springs, shocks, upper control arm and ball joints, and AC I have to do on this. So there's a lot of work to do on this. You guys will see this. The spring is cracked. You can see that, how it's folded in on itself. But I figured this car has 130,000 miles on it. They didn't really maintain it well. Some people say, like, Schrodinger's box mileage doesn't matter. Yes, it does. That's wear and tear on this wear item. So I'm putting in a new shock while I'm going through all of this work. Then I will have nothing to worry about on my front end here. So I like preventative maintenance. I don't just throw parts at things, but I like to avoid getting broken down on the road and going through a whole bunch of bullshit, inconvenience, and expense on towing services, or getting stuck going to one of these thievery garages because I'm away from my home and I can't get it towed to my house. So, like on my E320, it had 87,000 miles on it when I bought it. I did some work on it. While I was in there, I threw a cam and crank sensor on there. They're not expensive parts. It cost me about a total of $30, $40. And I don't have to worry about a cam or crank sensor going bad on me. So there's certain things I'll do at 100,000 miles. I'll throw a part at it just for peace of mind. Stops me from worrying about breaking down, so it's worth it to me. All right, guys, I'm rambling, I'm waffling, as a Superbike guy would say, the English guy. Superbike channel, if you're into motorcycles, good channel. Superbike surgery or something like that it's called. But good channel, good mechanic, and a funny guy to watch. He's got a little OCD and a case of the ums, but he's fun. All right, guys, that's it. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Take good care of yourselves, and take good care of your families and the ones you love. We'll see you again soon. Bye.